For you guys to know about diamond problems, diamond problem is simple. We have a very root class which is A, and we have class B which extends A, and class C which extends also A, and D extends B and C. So how does Java solve this problem? First, we define class A. We have class B that extend A, and class C that extend also A. So D now is extending B and C, and what Java do is, hey, you cannot extend multiple classes. Basically, the diamond problem doesn't really happen in Java. So what happened with interfaces? So let's say interfaces that's gonna be allowed in multiple interfaces. So what happened here? We're gonna be having single interface A, which is gonna be greet. Let's add default here. Now default greet, which is B and C. Interface B extend A and C also extend A. And now we have class D, which implements both B and C. So now, how can we solve this problem? So let's say if we have like some kind of greet here, so we can have different behavior. So let's say here greeting B, which is south. I need to make it like south here, and yeah. And for the C, we're also gonna put greet, which is gonna be putting this one. And now D needs to implement method, which is also greet. So this will show you what you want to do. Do you want B's greet or C's greet? So you need to choose one of them in order to make this kind of greet. Or if you want to have different kind of implementation of your own, you can do it on your own, which is high, for example. So yeah, this is kind of like one approach that you need to think of. Also, I'm not sure if you're gonna be trying, for example, if we try to add A, would it really work? No, because B and C are our super classes, so you can't really directly access A. You can't have it. By the way, I said super classes, but I meant super interfaces. But yeah, this basically is the point. If you're gonna be needing to override some kind of method, and this method has two different or the same signature but two different interfaces, this means you're gonna need to override the behavior in order to identify what you need to be overriding.